Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. So this is the second video and this will be discussing in details what are the important things we need to know and what can be the marks distribution. Okay, the first and foremost, again I'm telling, there is no official marking scheme as given by the board. Okay, so no official blueprint has been published by the PUE board. Whatever it is like a tentative one. Okay, we have like guessed up, and like since we are a teacher, okay, and been teaching like somewhere around 7 to 8 years as of now, so we know which chapter what marks can come, what kind of questions are like most probable. Based on that, it is the made up. Okay, now one marker will have 10 questions, okay, and then we'll have two markers, again 14 questions here, three markers, again 14 questions in total, five markers, 10 questions. You will have a choice in this. Six markers will have two sets, 6 into 4 as usual. Okay, but you have to solve only one. And then the total, whatever we have, we already know that. Okay. So now let's see what things we have and what is the most probable. Now see, very easy to guess the linear programming chapter. Very simple. You can expect 6 marks definitely from it. And you have already seen from the past, if you analyze the paper, past year's papers, okay, that 4 marker will go with linear. So 4 marker can be from math, det, or CND. Okay, so you can give 1 mark, one here in 4 marker, and one here. Okay, that's simple. Now coming to again integrals, we can expect 6 marker. Okay, 6 markers you can expect from integrals, and it will be a combination either with this or with this. Clear? Either with continuity and differentiability or with determinant. Okay, damn simple. Now coming to, it can be here also, student, it can be here also. So like these are the options, either it will be in the mat or det or in continuity and differentiability, and most probably the 6 markers, mostly 99% they will be from linear programming and integrals. Okay, now coming to, in linear programming, you already know 5 markers they won't give, 3 markers they won't give, 2 markers also we expect that the chances are less, they can give you 1 marker question here. Okay, so we'll talk about that total now. So this set is done, 2 questions they'll give, and out of that you have to do 1, and that is pretty simple. Now coming to the other chapters where 5 markers are the most probable. Okay, 5 markers you can expect definitely 1 from relation and function. Minimum 1 you can expect. Minimum 1 you can expect from math. 1 from det also. Second, you can expect 1 from continuity and differentiability. 1 most probably from AOD. Okay, and definitely 1 from integrals. Clear? So this is like important. Now you can expect double question, maybe in determinant and det part, maybe in determinant part. You can have a double. Total in this section we have 10 questions. So if you see here now, 1, 2 and 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 more questions, they have an option. Either they can go with continuity, integrals definitely they'll give you 1, and either from continuity they'll give you, or they can give you what do you say, in relation and function also 2 questions of 10 marks. Okay, so that also is like a probable choice. Okay, so either they can give you, I'll put up in the option here, either they can give you here or they can give you +1 here. Okay, clear? So these are the probable options. Okay, now coming to the next, the 3 markers. Now 3 markers and 2 markers is very difficult to guess it. Okay, because the probability of them changing is like the most. So still we'll make a part-wise guess. 3 markers, we have 14 questions. Okay, so definitely 1 question will come from this, 1 question will come from ITF, 1 you can definitely expect from math, 1 from det, 1 from continuity, okay, 1 from AOD, and 1 from integrals. Now since integrals is a high weighted chapter, you can expect a minimum of around 3. Okay, now here in relation and function, since we just have 1 5 marker, you can expect a minimum of 2 or 3 from here also. Math minimum of 2, like around 2. Det also you can expect 2. Okay, CND also you can expect 2. Okay, so how many done? 3, 1, 4 to 6, 6 and 2, 8 to 10, and then 14. So 14 done. Now again they can arrange this like what do you say, instead of giving from what you say, continuity and differentiability, most probably, okay, integrals, I'm like almost sure that this will keep it up. They'll keep it. This they can do a bit here and there, but mostly they'll keep it. AOD again one, correct. Det, they might remove this and put it up somewhere, but most probably you'll get two questions from det of 3 marks. Okay, so you can understand the weightage and you can solve it out. Now coming to the next part, the 2 markers. Okay, again 14 questions are there. You will have a choice. Total 150 marks will be there. So in this 14 questions, they'll give minimum one from relation function, okay, one from ITF, minimum one from MAT, DET, continuity and differentiability, AOD, and integrals. Now again, same thing, the almost similar pattern will be there. Integration high weightage, so it will be of 3. Now AOD, they might give you a 2 this time, two markers, okay. 2 markers, 2 questions they can give. Continuity and differentiability, they might give you 2, they might go for 3 also. Mat and det minimum one they'll give you, okay. And here relation function 1 they'll give you. So now how many? Just check it. 2 here, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So this will be the probable orientation of the number of questions per chapter. Again, if you see relation function, 1 marker, 1 will be there, 1 minimum. Mat you can expect 1, again det 1, okay. Continuity you can expect like 1, maybe 2 also. I have a guess, like it can be 2. AOD, they can leave most probably. Integrals, they might give you 2, okay, and this one definitely they'll give you 2. So if you see the calculation of the marks on an average weightage, 6 marks plus 2, so somewhere around 8 to 10 marks this will go. 8 to 10 it will go, okay. And if you see this one, the integrals, it will be the highest weightage. So 6 marks, 10 marks, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 6, 35, 37 around, okay. So you can expect somewhere around 25 to 30 plus, okay. So this somewhere might be they will remove this and put it up somewhere. So integrals will be around the most scoring chapter. Integrals will be there. C and D will be also like the scoring part. If you see here, okay. So C and D on an average, see this will not be the exact, okay. So C and D also on an average you will have an idea like somewhere around 25 to 30 plus, okay. Det around 20 to 25. Mat also same thing, 20 to 25. ITF you can expect 5 to 10 marks, okay. Next, relation and function you can expect 15 to 20 marks, okay. And AOD you can expect somewhere around 5, 3, 8 and 4, 12. So 10 to 15 you can expect, okay. So the most scoring chapter is integral, continuity, differentiability, mat, and det. So these 4 chapters are like very simple. These 2 are very easy. These 2 medium plus a bit difficult. That's it. So these chapters I'll put up the videos first, and the later chapters we'll try to put up a bit later. But don't worry. What would things is important from all these chapters, and what is there for your midterm part? What is not there? Let's see it in more details. Okay. So let's see what can be the important topics you need to study. See, R and F, relation and function. If you see, it's basically from 1.1 to 1.3. Okay. Now ITF only we have just one exercise, that is 2.1. So very simple questions are not much. So that's why weightage is less. Mat almost everything. Det, the properties we don't have. So 4.3 we don't have. Okay. That is not there. Next, in mat only the ITF, inverse by elementary row transformation, that is not there, okay. And that is one of the biggest chunk, okay. LPP we have everything almost. Continuity and differentiability, we don't have mean value theorem, and we don't have what, Rolle's theorem. The last part, this is not there, and very important chapter, everything we have here, okay. Application of derivatives we have from 6.3 to 6.6. Integrals we have from 7.1 to 7.6. So by the exercise, number of exercise, you can understand integrals had got the highest number of exercise. So the max weightage followed by matrices, det, okay, and then see what is the continuity and differentiability. So very important, these chapters are very important, students. And I'll try to put up the video of the chapter, including the theory. The theory will be simple and very small, but it will be apt for you to understand what is there in the chapter. How do I solve the question? By writing everything in detail and not by mugging it up, by understanding and in the fastest manner, so that we have very less of time, correct? So we have to be smart and we have to be a bit hardworking if you want to score 90 plus. Now let's say you just want to score 50 plus. In that case, I'll also give you the next video. In that, we'll be discussing about what chapters are more than enough if you're doing these two. Okay, once relation function, a bit of LPP, and a bit simple parts of CND and AOD, CND, that will be more than enough to score 50 plus. So you can go through by that, and if you want to score everything, do watch our channel, do subscribe it, and do inform your friends. Okay, we'll be very regular, and we are definitely very sorry for the previous delay. Okay, now, so what we want to tell you is, we'll try to put up a lot of videos, around 15 to 20 in between today and tomorrow, so that we are able to cover up everything what is needed, and at least we're able to guide you up how to solve each chapter and how to go through about each chapters. Okay, not basically the solve each chapter, what to study and what not to study in each part by the previous year's questions. Okay, so you'll have a better understanding of the chapter and you can solve it fast, and you can analyze, okay, this is the way the questions are asked and I have to go like this for this chapter. Okay, so any doubt, you can put it in the comment section. If you like the video, do share it with your friends, it will help them also. And if you don't like it, do put it in the comment section, an honest review why you didn't like it. Okay, and again, very sorry for the previous delay. And this is the tentative or like approx, what do you say, blueprint. Nobody has the original blueprint. Again, I'm telling, important chapters have been marked, important weightage have been given, which chapters, what kind of questions you can expect, it's been given. Okay, so you can score a lot from this. And 2 days, students, first of all, very important, a lot of students now right now is depressed. Sir, I haven't studied the whole part, like COVID came and then suddenly online classes and then offline, we're not able to adjust. Okay, and everything was not in sync. So forget about all that. I'm telling you that these 2 days are more than enough, students, okay, to score 95 plus. If you work hard, give your 100%, go through whatever the videos we are telling, go through whatever the concepts we are telling, and thoroughly, if you go through, revise it, you will be able to score 90 plus easily. So forget about what's been done. That is in the past. Don't be a prisoner of the past. It's already been done. Can you change it just by thinking and wasting the whole day of today? No, then the point is, if you have 2 days of time, then work on those 2 days. 48 hours is also a lot of time. Okay, if you do it dedicatedly, if you work it out, it will be more than enough and you will be able to score 95 plus. So work hard, students, and definitely will be there to support any kind of doubt, any kind of difficulty. Do reach us on the number given below, WhatsApp or in the Telegram channel. Let's see you again in the next video.